Welcome back to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Imagine, for a moment, the vast emptiness of space, where a cloud of gas and dust drifts silently. This is where it all began, over 4.6 billion years ago, the very birthplace of our home, Earth. What if I told you Earth wasn't always the vibrant planet we know? Back then, it was a chaotic storm of dust, rocks, and gas, colliding endlessly, slowly coming together to form the first hints of a planet. Early Earth was molten, a fiery sphere where collisions constantly reshaped its surface. Volcanoes spewed clouds of gas, and giant impacts released unimaginable heat, creating a planet inconstant. And then, the unthinkable happened. A Mars-sized object, later called Theia, slammed into early Earth. The collision was so massive it ejected chunks of our planet into space. From this chaos, the Moon was born. Imagine Earth now, spinning wildly, with molten rock oceans and a sky filled with debris. What if this spinning chaos never settled? There would be no solid crust, no oceans, no life. But slowly, gravity and time worked their magic. Water, the essence of life, arrived mysteriously. Some came from icy comets, others from chemical reactions deep inside the Earth. Without it, our planet would have remained a barren, lifeless rock, cold and silent. What if Earth had no magnetic field? The sun's deadly radiation would strip away the atmosphere, leaving a scorched, lifeless desert. Fortunately, Earth's molten core created a magnetic shield, protecting life before it even began. Slowly, the surface cooled, continents began to form, drifting and colliding in an endless dance. Mountains rose, oceans settled, and the stage was set for the next act, the emergence of life. The earliest life forms were microscopic, barely visible, yet they changed the planet forever. What if these tiny organisms had never appeared? Oxygen wouldn't fill the atmosphere, oceans would remain lifeless, and Earth as we know it wouldn't exist. Through billions of years, Earth's climate, atmosphere, and geology evolved. Ice ages came and went, continents shifted, volcanoes erupted, yet life adapted, survived, and thrived in ways unimaginable. Imagine standing on early Earth. No cities, no humans, just endless wilderness, storms, and alien skies. What if a single event, like a giant asteroid impact, had prevented life from ever flourishing? Yet Earth endured. Oceans teemed with creatures, skies filled with flying life, and forests covered continents. Every drop of rain, every gust of wind, and every tectonic shift tells the story of a planet born from chaos. Humanity appeared just moments ago in Earth's timeline. And yet, we stand on a planet that survived near destruction countless times. What if one wrong collision or shift had erased all we know before we even existed? Even today, Earth continues to evolve. Volcanoes, earthquakes, and storms remind us that our planet is alive, dynamic, and ancient, a living record of cosmic chance and unimaginable time. So next time you look at Earth from your window, remember its story. From dust and fire to oceans and life, Earth's origin is a tale of miracles, collisions, and endless possibilities. What if it had never happened? Thank you for exploring the origin of Earth with us. If this journey sparked wonder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Every planet has a story. Earth's is extraordinary.